girls, dipping into pepperoni from the pizza palette from Glam. I'm using that colour to smoke out my outer V, and I'm just going to buff that colour over my cut crease. Then I go in with the Culture Shook palette by C.A.L.L. Dipping into the black of the palette, I'm going to smoke out the outer V. If you guys really want a true black, look at that. Girl, it is so pigmented. I literally dipped once and it just I don't even know what happened. I don't know what happened, girl, but it's really true black. If you need a black, this is the palette for you. Go back into pepperoni in the pizza palette just to blend them together so they are seamless. I then start to blend it inward just so that the black and the pinky kind of red can go together. I then start to carve out where I want the rest of the eyeshadow to go. Then I go in with my P. Louise Basic Brights in the colour Inject just to cut out and carve out my cut crease. Then I go in with a shimmery pigment and I put it all over my cut crease, and I'm so sorry guys, I cannot even remember what pigment this is. For some weird reason I forgot to write it down on my Instagram post. That's why I normally give all the information, and me, like a doofus, did not put this down, so I am so sorry I can't tell you what this is, but it's just a nice little shimmer moment and it just brings the look together. Then I go in with C.A.L.L's 24 karat gold infused highlighter in Frosty Pink. It's such a beautiful highlighter. It gives you that beautiful glow. It's not powdery. It really melts into the skin and just gives you that, look at that, ooh, that shine, sweetie. Absolutely love this highlighter. Then I go in with ABH Loose Glitter in Team No Sleep just to line my cut crease. It's absolutely iridescent and gorgeous. Then I go in with Benefit Bad Girls by Mascara. It's literally my favourite mascara of all time. I'm getting my eyelashes ready for some beautiful falsies. Then I go back in with the pizza palette and use pepperoni and some of that pigment from before to smoke up my under eye. Then I go in with JARS Cosmetics lip pencil in Red Brick Road just to line my waterline. I then go in with JARS Cosmetics lip pencil in Night Shift just to line my lips. It's such a beautiful dark shade and it's such a creamy consistency, perfect for lining your lips. Then I go in with Colour Your Smile lip gloss from JARS Cosmetics in the shade Pretty Woman. These two colours, the Pretty Woman with the Night Shift lip pencil, goes so well together. It really just complements everything and bring this look together. Then I'm going to hit those lower lash lines with some Bad Girl Bang. Then we're going to go in with some 8D lashes from Amazon to complete the eye look. And here is the look guys. I had so much fun doing this look for you. It is so different, lovely, glam, smoky glam. I absolutely love it. Hope you guys enjoyed this time with me and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.